question dito ni Janelle is, ang sabi nila, Mojige hits close to the Thai hit movie, How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies. Is this true? What's your take on this comparison?
Na-pressure ako dun kasi napakagandang pelikula yung Grandma Millionaire. Pinanood ko rin siya and sobrang naantig din ako dun. Siguro close siya because of relatability. Dahil nga yung family ties with the grandmother. Ito naman, mas in-establish natin yung family ties between mga tita. Kasi for sure, lahat kayo dito, tito, tita kayo ng mga pamangkin ninyo. And parang ngayon lang makakaroon din ng pelikula that highlights or gives that spotlight sa mga tita na sobrang magmahal sa kanilang mga pamangkin. So, parang nakikita ko nga sa trailer, mga comments ng mga tao na parang, ako din, tita ako, parang ang sakit-sakit sa puso, mga ganyan. So, feeling ko, hopefully, na-hit namin yung sweet spot na yun sa about family ties.
I'm curious lang, dito sa venue natin, meron ba ditong ayaw mag-anak? Wala pa naman, wala pa. I'm curious lang kasi parang yung mga millennials daw, kasi di ba direct yung mention mo kanina, parang they prefer not to have kids.
Yung iba, parang for parents na lang. Meron naman marami pa rin, pero medyo hindi na alien yung idea that not having a kid is someone na hindi ka makukumpleto.
Gusto kong tanongin tuloy yung mga support cast natin. Donna, ikaw, what's your take on having a kid?
Meron na po ako, isa, may 10-year-old ako, so di na ako pwedeng sumagot. Oo, meron na. And kung madadagdagan, wala pa naman. Dadating na, join dumagdag. So yun, pero parang gusto ko pa ng kapatid, pero hindi ko pa naiisip.
Okay. Si Kate, ikaw.
Pressure ako ng slide kasi matagal na sinasabi na I'm one of those na I don't think I would do well as a mother, but because of recent events. Namulat na ako na, you know, there's nothing wrong with wanting to not have children, but there's also nothing wrong with wanting to have children.
Right.
That's where I'm.
Baka mabago ng pelikulang ito ang iyong nabago na. Ayun na nga. Si Ana, ikaw naman. What's your take?
Meron na rin po ako.
Ayan.
Isa. Well, gusto ko pa ng isa. Yung nabigay sa akin ng anak ko kanina. Naglalo kong nagpursige ko magtrabaho para sa kanya. Siguro kanya-kanya na naman talagang take yun. Pero, as of now, trabaho ko muna ako.
Trabaho muna.
Isa muna dahil ang hirap ko ako magdadagdag pa nang hindi ka naman prepared.
Okay. Alexa, ikaw, as a millennial,
I'm actually a Gen Z.
a Gen Z, may ibang generation pa.
Lalo na siguro, but sa totoo lang po, medyo namulat din ako sa movie. But of course, right now, that's not at all something I think about, and not even in the near future. I feel like I want to pursue my career muna. Of course, and establish myself, and secure myself, and the future of the child I might want to bring to this world. Pero siguro po sa malayong future pa. But I am a firm mom, and that's as fulfilling also. Ikaw.
Okay. No, kasi I think that's a normal, what do you call it, mindset ng iba, lalo na when they're focused on their careers first. So, iba-iba talagang priority. Wala siyang one size fits all, di ba? Alright, ang next na question is from Max Susana from La Coachera Lovers. Direk, ikaw ba nakasagot nito? How did you come up with such a diverse cast? Paano ang naging selection ng cast for this project?
Kinakabahan ako sa mga tanong. Ano po, for the cast, tulong-tulong po kami nila Miss Madonna, Miss Grace, and Miss Toy and Raywin in creating the perfect ensemble. Ano siya pinipintigan mo rin kung bagay talaga sa isang artista yung character. So marami sa kanila, first thought pa lang namin sila na may iba na nag-grow lang na parang pwede siya, pwede gano'n. Hanggang mabuo siya. And we're so happy with this cast. They all performed well. Kasi minsan pag nag-viewing kami, sino favorite character mo? Hirap namin sagutin kasi lahat sila may kanya-kanyang baon. Eh, ang ganda-ganda, galing-galing nilang lahat.
Thank you, Direk. Next question, pare-pareho to, no? From Romel Gonzalez, Jamara Lee Adriano, and Alexa Con. It's for Alexa. What was your reaction, first reaction upon learning that you will be doing a film with a popular Korean actor? And how was this experience? Could you share some memorable experiences behind the scenes?
At first, I was a bit nervous and not going to lie, medyo na-intimidate ako talaga kay Jisoo. Kasi ang
Tangkad eh. Jisoo, what's your height? What's your height?
Hindi ko siya matignan ng diretso lang katabi ka ako.
6'2". Ikaw, Alexa, anong height mo? Without heels. 5'2".
Fight ko on a good day.
On a good day.
Pero hindi, I was really excited then kasi I know how professional Korean stars are and I've never really worked with anyone na Korean star. So, the first time I met Jisoo, it was for the look test. So parang in a way, sinabak na agad kami sa trial scene without really the formal introduction. So I was a bit intimidated, pero I saw in his eyes, wow, na-open naman siya. So, kinabalan ko na po yung mukha ko, kinausap ko, nakapag-eksena ako sa kanya, and nagbibigay talaga siya. Kahit feeling ko hindi niya ako naintindihan minsan, nagbibigay talaga siya.
Mahirap yun eh, no? Yung parang, di ko alam kung maiintindihan ba ni Jisoo yung emotions na
No, not the
nag-lines mo.
emotion, more on the Tagalog.
Yeah.
Because I feel like he's a really smart actor, so with the emotions, he could understand me right away.
Right.
Tapos yun, day by day, natutuwa po ako sa kanya kasi nakita ko na nag-open up siya sa amin lahat. Like, sa una seryoso siya, pero nung ilang shoot na namin, nagkikipagbiruan na siya, nagjo-joke na siya, tapos nagpapaturo po siya mag-Tagalog. So doon natutuwa ako kami ni Ate Kai kasi yung madalas yung ka-eksena. Natutuwa ako sa kanya at nagpapaturo siya mag-Tagalog, tapos nagkikwento siya about his life in Korea, tungkol sa dogs niya, tapos mahilig din siya sa mga stray animals. So sabi ko, ay, magiging first time.
Pet friendly.
Yes.
Let's ask Jisoo this time. How was it working with Alexa?
It was an honor to be worked with famous star. She's really kind and sweet. And even she's younger than me, but she's very mature. And she helped me to get used to on the set. So it was very fun, and we did TikTok together. Yes, TikTok video. You know.
TikTok.
Yeah. So it means like we are friends.
Right.
Yeah, so it was fun, and it's like I like to work with everyone. Actually, they are always really welcome to me because sometimes I don't understand what they're saying, but they're always trying to translate and explain everything. Like even it's hard. They always try to like communicate with me. So I was really thankful to everyone. Yes.
Richard, nakita ko sa trailer, parang meron kayong heavy scene together ni Jisoo. Parang may confrontation kayo, parang magkaharap kayo or something. Sa table ba yun?
Although yung hindi yung pinaka-heavy scene, but
Right.
pinaka-heavy confrontation. Pero in a light way naman siya.
How was it working with you?
Gamit ko yung term na ginagawa natin, intimidate. But nagkaroon ako ng free thinking na baka mag-intimidate. Pero hindi, this is not considering lahat ng mga trabaho. It's one of the most focused, well-prepared. Alam mo na well-prepared.
Right. Wow. Well, good job. Good job, Jisoo. Most focused. Follow up the Romel and Jeffrey Perdon of Kapamilya Online World for Alexa. Is this your first time to portray a character similar to being a mother in a project? And what were your preparations?
I think it is my first.
Right.
Because I've done a little more mature roles, like sa ugali-wise mature, but ngayon lang po yung sort of mother guardian type. My preparation, well, ang una po kasi yung character ni Sunny, ang ayaw talaga niya. Sungit,
mainit ang ulo palagi. Medyo relate naman ako doon ng slide. Hindi, joke lang. Pero it wasn't not hard for me din naman po to prepare. Kasi as the days would go by, mas napapalapit din ako kay Riley. So the relationship, how it grew, how we bonded, it was very natural and it just really happened. And sobrang denied lang din ako ni Direk na yung maibigay ko, yung natural lang, yung normal lang, kasi overthinker ko ako ng slide. So doon ako tinulungan ni Direk na maibigay ko yung best ko. And hopefully, lumabas siya, and hopefully, yun din po yung makita ng mga tao pag nanood sila.
Thank you, Alexa. We're talking about